If you search how to make money online, you'll drown in information, dropshipping, AI, crypto, and trading, and many other things. It feels like everyone has a blueprint. But here's what nobody explains: online income isn't about picking the perfect method, it's about understanding the levels. There are only three levels to make money online, and if you try to skip them, you get overwhelmed. So let's simplify this. Think of making money online as a video game. You do not fight the final boss at level 1. You level up and make yourself ready enough to meet the final boss. And there are only three levels to make money online. Level 1 builds cash, level 2 builds leverage, and level 3 builds scale. Let's start at the bottom. Level 1 is freelancing. This is where you trade your skill for money. Not your dreams, not your passion, just your skill. If you can write, or edit videos, or design, or build simple websites, or run ads, or many other things, if you're capable of any one skill, then someone out there needs someone like you. Level 1 is about one thing: cash flow generation. You solve a problem, you get paid, and there are freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, which welcomes newcomers to make their first step towards their freelancing career. This stage teaches something more valuable than money. It teaches you how to sell your skill, it teaches you how to communicate value, and it teaches you how to deliver results. But most people skip this stage because it's not passive. But this is where you build confidence. And without confidence, it's game over before level 2. Level 2: affiliate marketing through content creation. Here, you're not just selling your time, you're leveraging trust through content. Instead of dealing with one client, you speak to an audience. You recommend tools, books, softwares, and things that genuinely help. And when people buy through your link, you earn. You could use social media platforms like YouTube or Instagram to create content about the product and attract viewers through genuine reviews. You don't ship anything, you don't manage inventory, you connect problem to the solution. This is your first taste of leverage. But here's the truth: affiliate marketing works only when you build the skill in level 1. Because now you need content, credibility, and communication. If there's no trust, then there's no sales. Level 3: selling digital products online. This is where things change. Now you stop promoting other people's products because you'll be creating your own. You build your own asset, an ebook, or a course, or a template, something that solves a specific problem. You build it once and you sell it many times. It requires low cost and it provides you with high margins. But here's where most people go wrong. They try to start here. They create a course before they help anyone. They create a product without proof of demand. That's why level 3 works only when level 1 gave you skill and level 2 gave you an audience. This is the top of the ladder, not the beginning. So here's the roadmap for you. Start with freelancing and build a skill. Build a skill that benefits you in the long run. With level 1, you earn that skill. And with that skill, you progress towards content creation. With that, you create trust. Monetize that trust with affiliate marketing. You could also monetize the content that is created through YouTube. Package what works into a digital product and sell it online. There are only three levels for making money online: cash, leverage, and scale. And here's the most important part: execution beats information. You do not need another strategy. You do not wait for the perfect opportunity. You start where you start and you figure out as you go. You go along with the flow, and that's how you plan your life. Because everything will not go as planned. You need to adapt yourself to the flow of life. That's how everything works. You just start, and as you start, you'll learn with the flow. Pick level 1 and start climbing the ladder. No excuses. And if you want the full breakdown of practical steps, check the description below. And if you are someone who wants to build yourself, then subscribe. We build step by step here.